Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because so many candidates ask this query on the Instagram queries as well as on the Telegram groups. Like when Wipro hire for the 2023 batch, 2022 batch through the off-campus hiring. And what are the roles for they are hiring through the off-campus like Wipro Elite NTH or the Wipro Turbo role. The salary is 3.5 LPA, 6.5 LPA. This video is very important for all of you. If you are from 22 batch, so what about the another hiring for all of you and when phase 2 turbo update? So all the queries will be solved in today's video. So let's start the video. Before starting, if you are from any batch 23, 24, 22, so we upload so many videos on our channel that is related to preparation. So must check this all videos. Okay. So if you are preparing for the Wipro Elite NTH, and when your off campus drive is announced, so soon we will make some of the good videos for all of you that is related. But still, if you are preparing for that and if you are preparing for on campus or off campus, so this all videos are very helpful for all of you because we mention resources plus strategy, how you can prepare for the each specific section for the Wipro. And as you can see on my screen that what are the resources and strategy and how to crack Wipro exam in the first attempt. So simply if you have any queries related to Wipro Elite, so you can just mention on the search bar Wipro Elite online learning and there are so many videos. Okay, so I just prepare one PPT and that is related to some of the screenshots that is related to the Wipro Elite hiring. Okay, so let's start. So one of the most important point, they are hiring for the two role. Okay, one for the Elite, okay, and second is for the Turbo. So the in the condition in the designation, so they just mentioned that the project engineer. So for the Elite there is 3.5 LPA package and for the Turbo there is 6.5 LPA package. If I take the scenario of 2022 batch, so there is a phase 1 hiring completed, phase 2 hiring completed, but the phase 3 hiring is also announced, but they not take the exam yet. Okay, so this is all about the phase 1 and phase 2. So this is related to that. And one of the most important point, when we expect the hiring for the 2023 batch through the off campus, so most probably in that September to in between September to December they will announce the phase 1 hiring as per the previous year trend. So this is the expected month for the 2023 batch. So the revised compensation for the project engineer role is joining compensation is 3.5 lakh, flat bonus post 6 month from joining 25,000 to be merged with compensation after 12 month of bonus payout. So they just mention in the form of 2022 2021, but most probably for the 2023 batch the process is should be different or it will be same, totally depends on them. So there is a regularly yearly increment, merge bonuses on 18, 24 and 36 month from date of joining. Okay, so what are the qualification they are eligible to apply for the Elite examination, for the Elite NTH examination? BE Tech, this is the compulsory degree, and if you are from ME Tech 5-year integrated course, full time course recognized by central state government of India, you are eligible to apply for the opportunity. All branch expect this branch are not eligible for this opportunity, all are apply for this. 60 or 6 CGPA is mandatory for the 10th, for the 10th, 12th and for the graduation. They just mentioned that, or equivalent as per university guideline. Only full time course, no part time or correspondence or distance learning in degree 10th or 12th. So this is all about that. So the next is compensation is 3.5 lakh per annum, and this is the service agreement for the 12-month post joining INR 75,000 rupees on pro rata basis. So this is the other criteria. One backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. Okay, the assessment stage is considered as the exam. And if I talk about the offer will be subject to all backlogs being clear. Okay, at the time of LOI release or at the time of offer letter. So this is the process that is related. Candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. One of the most important point for the 2022 batch, they just change it to the 3 month. Okay, it will totally depend on them. So the should be Indian citizen. This is all about that. So what is the process of Elite NTH and what is the process of Turbo? So the Elite NTH process is you have to do registration first. After that, there is an online assessment, then business discussion, after LOI and offer letter. So the aptitude written communication test, that is for the essay writing, and online programming test. Okay, so from the previous year they changed the turbo process. Okay, one of the most important point, from the previous year they changed the turbo process. There is no examination for the turbo from now, like from the 2022 batch. If your performance is good in the Elite examination, so they will consider you for the turbo role, but they will give you some of the project and you have to complete, because this is related to your skill set. Okay, they are only focusing on the skill set, and they will increase your package from 3.5 lpa to 6.5 lpa. Okay, so this is the process of turbo. Okay, understand one of the most important point. If you are from 2022 batch, most probably after like after in the some month, if they are announcing if they are announced the new hiring, so most probably they will consider the two 2022 as well as 2023 both. For the 2023 batch hiring, they will also consider the 2022. Most probably chances is high, because they previously they consider the 21 and 22. Okay, this is all about that. So this is related to the complete hiring pattern of the Wipro. And if you are preparing for Wipro any of the exam, so you can check the latest interview experience, your query experience, how to prepare for the interview, as well as all about that. So these all videos are very helpful for all of you. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any queries, and if you want more videos that is related to Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.